Alright guys, so the tire is off now. Here she is. It was actually a lot simpler than it looked. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to do it, and it's actually a lot simpler on this model. So basically, you'll see the video, but for some models, you actually have to remove your caliper. On this one, it's just slid right out, and I realized that it has this is what I'm assuming is the ABS sensor. I think. I don't know 100%. I could look it up in my book. But anywho, other ones have this spacer here without this the wire harness here. So when you slide this out, they all fall out. And I got lucky that this one was hanging on. So there is no confusion on which one's left and right. So there she is. Simple as that. Lifted, slid right out. Used this guy to give me a little leverage up, and that's it. And the next part, we'll go swap out my tire and install the new one. Alright, so it's day 2. I had to wait a whole fucking day to go get my tire changed because FedEx took their sweetest time. So tires here, bike's up, ready to go. Let's do this shit. So I'm gonna put some anti-seize on this. That's it, boys. She's all done. Ready to go for a ride.